Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is me, Meiji. I'm back for today video, guys. Magre-react tayo sa Voice of Bass Brute. Kasi may nag-request. Ayun na nga. Parang this is I think 3 times a reaction. The title of the song is God Allowed Me. Please, wow, God allowed me, please, may please. Okay guys, there is 5 million views 2 years ago. And then there is also 166k likes, and there is, wow, 15,838 comments. My God. Okay guys, but if you are new to my channel guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below guys. Okay guys, we will play and also we will give a rank also or a score of them. Okay, I think because mostly this one is a rock. Okay, play. Wow, ang galing talaga nila.
Have become toxic. Why today many people wear religion to kill the music? I feel like I am falling, pushed down, swallowed by the crowd. I'm not a criminal, I'm not the enemy. I just wanna sing a song to show my soul. I'm not the corrupter, I'm not the enemy. I just wanna sing a song to show my God allow me please to play music. 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 Why today many perceptions have become toxic? Why today idealizations are using our mind? I feel like I'm falling down in the deep hole of hatred. I'm not the criminal, I'm not the enemy. I just wanna sing a song to show my soul. I'm not the corrupter, I'm not the enemy. I just wanna sing a song to show my God allow me please to play music. God allow me please to play music. God allow me please to play music. God allow me please to play music.
God allowed me please to play music. The title of the music. Okay, bravo, bravo, bravo guys. Yung music nila okay naman. Kaso, yung una hindi ko masyadong naintindihan. Yung pala yun, ang akala ko, I thought the title of music is God Allowed Me, Please. meron palang kadukso to play music, that's why. Okay, guys. Already done that music. We will give a score of them, and also we will give reaction. For me right now, this music is not exactly I understand. I just, it's okay, it's good. But, you know, mashallah, because, you know, they are Muslim also, but it's good. Unexpected that, you know, we are Muslim. Unexpected that they can sing like this, right? But this is a talent. It's good also. I'm not a criminal. Even, you know, it's like this, that, you know, that music is like that. It's not about a criminal, right? But I like, but it's not much. Last time when I make reaction is, you know, that this is that music, I think, from Metallica. I like that. Because Metallica is also good. I know that. Okay, guys. This time it's okay. It's a little bit good. It's middle. Alright? Right now, guys, I will give a score of them. Dun, da, da, da. I just give 8. It's not totally 10 because I did not... I cannot say that I did not understand, but you know, when I listening, it's like, you know, for me it's only normal, like, you know, but it's good. And also they are talented women, because we are Muslim, but you know, see, you can see they can sing like this, right? Mostly they are only doing like this is for man, but unexpected, we are surprised, right? Okay, guys, I hope, by the way, thank you so much, who is the one always comment about of BOB, okay? Because there is a lot of our viewers that are comment regarding of BOB. I think even last week and then before yesterday, mostly I reaction for the Putri and Demas and Banda. But right now I check because tomorrow it's my off. Sometimes I don't have time to check that old comment, but I just try it to reply to everyone. Alright, guys, thank you so much to always watching to my reaction. Don't be tired to always watching to my reaction. I hope to everyone they will like my reaction, guys. But guys, if you are new to my channel, guys, don't forget to like and share and comment below. And also, guys, I hope there is a lot of subscribe to my channel. Even I'm new also. Alright, but I hope you like my reaction. And thank you so much. Okay, guys, see you next my reaction. And please comment below if you have suggestion. What kind of music or who is artist you like it to be reaction. Okay? Okay, guys. Bye-bye and masalama.